Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mention all your friends in Facebook comments. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now you'll have to keep in mind that mentioning all of your friends is only possible in groups only. So click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now click on Groups option. Then go to your own group. Now go to the comment section of the post where you want to mention everyone. Here you'll have to enter @sign, then type in everyone. Now after you post this comment, everyone will be notified that you've mentioned them in the comments. And that is how you can mention all your friends in Facebook comments. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.